And hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to fix file system error, photos app error. So when you want to open any of this, it says file system error and these things in brackets, and just click OK. And what we are going to do now is navigate to run, and then you will go to services.msc, and now what we are going to do is scroll down and find Windows License Manager. You can click W and see OK Manager, and properties, and set it to manual. And all you have to do now is click apply and OK. And now just restart your PC, and when you go to, for example, this, it will work. And yeah, that is it guys. So thanks for watching, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you next one. Peace.